Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions to this week's the Daily Rigour issue number 78. So, of course, it was Black Friday there, and as usual, electrical sales are proven to be very popular at this time. So, with this in mind, we've got a wee Black Friday offer for you. So, we've got this same television being sold in three different shops with different deals going on, and which one of these is the cheapest price? But you've got to give a reason for your answer, of course. So, let's look at Telly's R Us first of all. So, £320 with 10% off, and of course, we find 10% by dividing by 10, of course. So, that's going to be a discount of £32. So, to work out the sale price, we take the discount off the original price. So that's on sale for £288. Right, let's check Telly Heaven now. So 33 and a third percent off. So of course we calculate the discount here by dividing by 3, and that comes to £140. So the sale price is going to come out as £280. So a better deal than Telly's R Us. So let's check out TV World. So 40% off. So that's a wee bit trickier. So lots of different ways you can do it. You can find 10%, then multiply by 4. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to find 20%, which is dividing by 5, and then multiplying by 2. Both equally good strategies. So discount £192. So a wee takeaway to finish off with. That one comes to £288 as well, which is the same price as Telly's R Us, which means that we can say that Telly Heaven is offering the cheapest price, and obviously it's cheaper than £8. It's cheaper by £8. Okay, so on to our next story now. So we've got Mexico to raise the minimum wage. So it's been raised to 88.36 pesos for an 8-hour working day. So what's the hourly rate of a worker earning the minimum wage in Mexico in pounds and pence? And give your answer to the nearest penny. So of course what we can do is we can turn the daily wage into pounds and pence first of all by dividing by the exchange rate. £3.57 a day for working 8 hours. Unbelievable. So to get the hourly rate, that's for 8 hours, we're going to divide by 8. That comes to 0.44625. So rounding to the nearest penny, looking at this 4, the number to the right, if it's a 6, which means we round up to a 5. So it's 45 pence per hour is the minimum wage in Mexico. I don't know about you, but I'm absolutely stunned by that. I certainly would never have guessed that, and that's why it's good to read newspapers and get an idea of what's going on around the world. And there are some people working in some countries for 45 pence per hour. Something to think about. Anyway, on to the entertainment story now. We're looking at I'm a Celebrity Dingo Dollars. So your fee differs depending on how famous you are deemed to be. So the top stars receive £250,000, and the least famous stars receive a tenth of this figure. So how much would these least famous stars receive? Well, obviously £250,000 is 250,000. And if the least famous stars get a tenth of this, we divide by 10. So that's going to come to £25,000. Massive difference in earnings, but for 3 weeks' work, surely that's quite good money. Plus all the magazine deals and everything that goes with it. Right, part B, we've got Ant and Dec rumoured to receive £23,000 each per day for hosting the show. How much will they earn in total for hosting the 3-week show? So this is per day. How many days in 3 weeks? Well, obviously there's 7 days in a week, so that'd be 21 days in 3 weeks. So we multiply by 21, and that comes to £483,000. So Ant and Dec, by far the highest earners in I'm a Celebrity. Okay, so our last wee story is from technology, and I think it really goes to show that they do not make them like they used to. So we've got a couple getting rid of their appliances that they bought over 50 years ago. So cost a total of £94. So we've been told that a replacement washing machine is 2.5 times more expensive than the one they bought in 1956. I actually think that's okay. So how much would it cost a couple to buy a replacement washing machine? Well, we can add these two items together, which comes to £34. And if we take that £34 away from the £94, then we'll be able to figure out how much they paid for their washing machine. So that comes to £60 all the way back in 1956. So quite a lot of money back in those days, we'll have to say. So now you can buy one for 2.5 times this amount. So we can multiply the 60 by 2.5, that comes to £150. So in terms of like inflation, I don't think that's much of an increase. Bear in mind it was over 50 years ago. But of course these new fad modern appliances, your iPhones, your iPads, and all that. I can't see them lasting for over 50 years, can you? Anyway, that was our work solutions for the Daily Rigour, issue number 78. Hope you enjoyed working through these guys, and stay tuned for next week's edition when we're going to be in December and nearly at Christmas. How exciting! But we're also going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.